Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete contacts in ManyChat. Alright, so first up, just go ahead over to the left panel right here and click on contacts. We have the list of our contacts right here. Okay, so what you got to do first, you can go ahead on search. Let's say you just want to delete one contact, for example, Raya G right here. Just type down their name, hit on enter, and the list of all Rayas will be available in here. So what you got to do is just click on one. Now click on bulk action. Scroll all the way down, hit on delete, and they will be gone. Now, another option is by filtering. Click on filter. You can go ahead and add in a condition, for example, a tag. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a tag for these two right here, my contacts. Raya G, I'm going to go ahead and add in a tag, like let's say story +, folder will be tags. Okay. And then this guy right here, Mr. Ryan, add tag, maybe comment. Okay. Add tag, folders, tags, comment. Now, once that's done, filter again, conditions. Now you can go ahead and filter again per tag. Tag right here is what? Select from these tags available. Okay. For example, comment. Now, as you can see, Mr. Ryan right here pops up. Now again, you can just go ahead and select all that got this specific tagged, then click on bulk action, and then just hit on delete. All right. Now you can go ahead and add in as many conditions as you want. That's basically that. Select multiple, bulk action, delete. All right. Now there will be a pop-up right here that says you need to confirm it. Okay. Go ahead and read through this. Now go ahead and type down delete. Okay. Delete. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that is how you delete contacts in ManyChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.